Have a great day. Greetings from Barangay San Isidro Persons with Disability Association, BSIP WDA. Project title, Lingkuranan sa Kagawasan, in English, Chair of Freedom. A wheelchair made of bamboo or rattan for children with disability in Barangay San Isidro Persons with Disability Association, in Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Barangay San Isidro Persons with Disability Association is the barangay-based organization of persons with disabilities in Tagum City, Davao del Norte, which main objective is to advocate inclusion and persons with disability rights. The Barangay San Isidro have 17 purok and 105 registered persons with disability. Data of persons with disability in Barangay San Isidro: 105, composed of them are 18 deaf, 22 learning disability, 9 children with disability, 56 orthopedically handicapped. Among 105 persons with disability in Barangay San Isidro Persons with Disability Association, 9 are children with disability and 6 of them needs wheelchair. Challenges during disaster. Communities in low-lying area experience flood in riverside. During disaster, particularly flood, many affected families find it hard to send their children to school or limited access in evacuation center, even access in healthcare. Children with disability suffer the most because they don't have assistive device to use for their mobility. The suited wheelchair for children with disability are now available in the local market in Mindanao. The solution of BSIP WDA is to innovate wheelchair for children with disability that made of bamboo or rattan, which is cost-efficient, durable, lightweight, and the materials are readily available in Mindanao. The prototype drawing of the bamboo rattan wheelchair for children with disability is already established and need consultation for enhancement to be more accurate, durable, and very important is the safety of the user. These are the following agencies for consultation: United Architect of the Philippines North Davao Chapter, Philippine Institute of Civil Engineer, PICE Davao Chapter, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA, Department of Science and Technology, DOST, Department of Health, PhilHealth, Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management, City Disaster Risk Reduction Management, Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction Management. We need to innovate rattan and bamboo wheelchair for availability, affordability, and can be used in times of disaster because children with disability among the most marginalized people in every society. The innovation of wheelchair are very important for inclusion and participation of every children with disability to live in an inclusive society. A child with disabilities is entitled to enjoy a full and decent life in conditions that ensure dignity, promote self-reliance, and facilitate the child's active participation in the society. The occurrence of various disasters has further increased the extent of discrimination against children with disabilities because disaster put children with disabilities at greater risk than children or people without disabilities. Children with disabilities are abandoned or left behind before, during, or after a disaster. That is why a assistive device or wheelchair is needed because the wheelchair should not be a symbol of disability. A wheelchair is a vehicle to liberation and freedom. Child with disability has the right to go to mainstream, government, independent, or Catholic school, regardless of their disability. Therefore, access to wheelchair is to access in education. The wheelchair innovation can be replicated and mass-produced not only in our barangay but in entire Mindanao and if possible throughout the Philippines because there is no available manufacturing wheelchair in Mindanao. The Innovators Team. Engineer Darlito S. Palermo, Team Leader. Jen L. Cortez, Finance Officer. Apolonio C. Intong, Liaison Officer. Arcadio Di Pamilar, Researcher. Abel Loquino, Technical Staff. We believe community-led problem for persons with disability is the key to achieve solution in our community in barangay for children with disability issues. Based on the knowledge in our communities, when properly supported and informed, can develop highly effective and well-supported solutions. The wheelchair should not be a symbol of disability. A wheelchair is a vehicle to liberation and freedom.